What is green steel? What does it mean? How does green steel belongs to our daily life? Discuss the background with me. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, negotiated and signed in 1992, the climate protection has been accorded to increasing international importance. In particular, the focus has been on energy-intensive industries as emitters of greenhouse gases. Beside emissions trading, mainly technology changes and improvements lead to the success. Europe has the unique opportunity to lead the transformation and it's economical to a future in which is CO2 neutral, environmental responsible, circular and able to compete internationally, addressing third country trade distributors within inhibitions. However, unilateral and asymmetrical regulations in the European Union and in Germany poses the risk of relocating production and emissions. Steel is central for the European Union economically, and it underpins the development of major manufacturing sectors right along the value chain. Steel industry sustains 2.6 million direct and indirect jobs in the European Union. Therefore exists a clear action plan to establish a market of green steel in the period between 2021 and 2030. In plain language, the sector has to develop, upscale and roll out new technology that could reduce European Union steel production CO2 emissions by 30% until 2030, compared to 2018 emissions, or let's say about 55% compared to 1990, and by 80 to 95% by 2050, while contribution the greenhouse gas emissions across all sectors. Let's discuss new technologies for green steel. There are two different types of steel production. We already discussed blast furnace route and electric arc furnace route. The electric arc furnace route with direct reduction, especially with the use of hydrogen, is the key effect in my mind to reduce GHGs in future. Today, it is not possible to feed that much hydrogen into the blast furnace to reduce the CO2 emissions dramatically. Thus, there is a need to change the whole steel situation. What does it mean? There's no blast furnace right here anymore. There would be another metallurgical equipment. This another equipment leads to different dust, different materials which have to be processed, which have to be landfilled in the end. Hopefully not landfilled, hopefully recycled. This has to be our main goal. Reduction of GHGs and reduction of landfilling materials.